Hello, music lovers, sound designers, and composers. Welcome to the Creative Generalist channel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Waveform 13 Free, a true production monster that completely changes the perception of free in the market. When we open our browser and go to Tracktion's website, the modern interface that greets us actually hides enormous potential. Please pay attention here. Unlike other light or intro versions on the market, Waveform Free is a fully featured and unlimited DAW with no track count restrictions, recording time limits, or barriers like you cannot save the project. Whether you are constructing a deep electronic music or EDM track full of complex automation, or orchestrating classical music with massive virtual instrument libraries, Waveform's capabilities are not limited to music alone. Thanks to its video playback support, you can compose film scores or even handle your game audio and interactive sound design projects at professional standards. From live instrument recordings to podcast editing, for every audio processing scenario you can imagine, this software deserves to be at the center of your studio. Now, let's start the process by clicking the download button to possess this power. To get the software, we first need to create an account on the Tracktion system. This process is completely free and very simple. We enter the requested basic user information into the relevant fields and provide a valid email address. You can complete your registration in seconds using your Gmail account. After clicking the Register button, we activate our account by clicking the verification link sent to our email inbox. This step is mandatory for the license definition. After the verification process, a one-time offer screen may appear. Here, you may be offered some paid sound packs or plugins. This is important. You do not have to buy these. We will continue with the completely free version. Waveform Free is more capable and unlimited than most paid software in the market, even without purchasing any additional packs. You can proceed past this offer with peace of mind. Now, we download the download manager suitable for our operating system. We will install Waveform Free through this manager tool, not directly. So what does this download manager do? Just like Adobe Creative Cloud or Native Access, it allows you to manage all your Tracktion products, licenses, and updates from a single center, away from chaos, and in a clean way. After installing and running the download manager, we log in with the account details we just created. We find Waveform 13 Free in the list that appears. We start downloading the main software by clicking the Install button next to it. At this stage, the download manager will also automatically download and install all necessary additional content and basic plugins in the background. You don't need to make any extra settings. Sit back and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation is finished, we run Waveform 13 for the first time by clicking Launch. And here is that wonderful interface. On the first launch, a setup wizard welcomes us. Waveform makes you feel its user-friendly structure from the very first second. You can easily make your sound card settings here. Moreover, you can customize your workspace not just with a simple dark or light mode, but down to the finest detail, from buttons to backgrounds, menu colors to waveform appearances. Waveform allows you to create a completely studio environment unique to you that fully adapts to your visual taste and working style. We come to the project creation screen by saying New Project. The template structure here is a lifesaver for beginners. Whether you open a blank project or get ready to record in seconds with ready-made templates like band recording or podcast, the workspace that appears when the project opens is extremely modern and intuitive. On the left are our tracks, and on the right is our advanced browser. One of Waveform's strongest points is the drag-and-drop logic. When you take an audio file or loop from the browser and drop it into the project, the software automatically analyzes it and adapts it to your project's tempo in seconds. You don't need to get lost in complex menus. Everything is at your fingertips and fluid. Since we are focusing on installation and the interface in this video, we are touching upon mixing and detailed editing features superficially for now. However, as you can see, writing MIDI, loading virtual instruments, VST, and editing audio clips is child's play with Waveform. But there is another great point we need to underline here: third-party plugin and library support. When it comes to VST sections, you can use industry-standard, fully professional, and completely free plugins like BBC Symphony Orchestra and Berlin Orchestra on Waveform 13 free. You can integrate these massive libraries, which rival their paid counterparts in quality, and much more into your productions completely free of charge, in a much more practical, effortless, and clean way compared to other DAWs. These dozens of free and high-quality alternatives that you can use in your projects are at your fingertips with Waveform. If there is sufficient demand in the future, we plan to publish detailed content for this and many other related external topics and VST integrations. So please don't forget to mention the places you got stuck and the specific content you want to see in the future in the comments. In this guide, we completed the entire process step by step, from downloading Waveform 13 free, creating an account, to reaching that first exciting project screen. If you want to produce music in a completely free and unlimited environment without getting bogged down in technical details, Waveform 13 is the perfect starting point for you. In addition to Waveform, we have detailed content on our channel about other great free tools like MuseScore, Cakewalk, and BandLab. We will continue to guide you in finding the tool that best fits your creative process and workflow. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay with music and creativity.